Welcome back to AR Gossips. Real name Karim Borsin. Date of birth June 4, 1987. Place of birth Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Zodiac sign Gemini. Height 1.83 meters. Profession actor, model. Early life and education. Kerim was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He spent a significant part of his childhood in several countries because his father's work required the family to move often. He lived in the United States for a while, where he attended high school. Bursin later returned to Turkey, where he continued his education. He graduated with a degree in communication from the Boston University, USA. His exposure to various cultures and languages helped him become fluent in both Turkish and English, which has benefited his acting career, especially in international projects. Career beginning Karim's journey into acting started when he was discovered during his time in the United States. He initially started working as a model before moving on to acting. His first significant acting role was in the Turkish TV series Gunuşe Beklerken, which aired in 2013. In this series, he portrayed Zeynep's love interest, and this role captured him into fame in Turkey. Rise to fame Bursin rise to prominence came through his role in the romantic comedy TV series Sen Chal Kapime, which began airing in 2020. His portrayal of the charming and successful Serkan Polat alongside Hande Erçel as Ada widespread praise and garnered him international recognition. The show became a huge success not just in Turkey but also in many countries across Europe, Latin America, and the Middle East. Television series Karim has had an extensive career in Turkish television industry. Some of his notable dramas include Güneşe Beklerken 2013 to 2014, Seref Meselesi 2014 to 2015, Bu Şehir Arkandan Gelecek 2017 to 2018, and Sen Chal Kapime 2020 to 2021. Brand ambassadorships Karim is known for his involvement in various brand ambassadorships. He has collaborated with global and Turkish brands, especially in fashion and cosmetics. Some notable brands include Puma and Pantene. Awards and recognition Throughout his career, Karim has received several accolades for his acting. Some of the major awards include Best Actor in a Leading Role at the Golden Butterfly Awards, Turkey Youth Award for Best TV Actor, Best Couple in a TV Series, alongside Hande Erçel at multiple award events for their partnership in Sen Chal Kapime. Karim's charms and dedication to his craft have earned him a dedicated fan following both in Turkey and internationally. Love life Karim has been quite private about his personal life, but his relationship with his co-star Hande Erçel became a highly public topic. The two were rumored to be dating during the filming the show, and their chemistry on screen fueled the rumors. While they have been relatively quiet about their personal life, their on screen chemistry and the public attention to their relationship have made them a beloved celebrity couple. Personal life Karim is known for being low key about his personal life. However, he is very active on social media platforms and keep his fans updated about his work and some aspect of his life. His hobbies include sports, especially basketball, and he is also passionate about photography. Interesting facts: Kerim is multilingual, speaking Turkish and English fluently. He has a great passion for basketball and was quite active in the sports during his younger years. Fitness is an important part of his routine and he often shares workout tips and motivational posts for his followers. Karim Bursin has proved himself to be one of the most talented and charismatic actors in the Turkish entertainment industry. His rise to fame through the series Sen Çal Kapımı and his international recognition have placed him among the leading stars of Turkish TV. With a bright future ahead, Bursin continues to capture the heart of audiences around the world. Subscribe for more amazing videos.